This one here, she's our big helper. You're big help, aren't ya? This is the pen. There's the baby. I hope she's not wanting to just get in there and demolish that baby, but I don't know. She's been laying right here watching and keeping them safe. So there's a gateway she can get in and out where this hut is. And since Paige went through her delivery, you know what they say, they can sense stress and things. So since Paige has been put in here and went through her delivery, she has been out here with these sheep pretty much 24/7. She's finally started sticking with the flock. She just moves real slow in with them, watches them. Middle of the night, all night. When I came, she was here. I think she knows, and we hear coyotes all the time. Just seems like right across the street. So far, I think she's done a great job. I don't know. We haven't lost any lambs to that predation anyway. So, Elsie girl, I think we are going to have to get her a partner though that can help her. Because if we do expand the area for these sheep, I don't want it to be too much for her to have to manage. We might wait till next year, maybe till she's a little bit more of an adult, because I don't want her, bringing out her puppy qualities. Oh, did you hear it? She knows her babies. They're babies. Okay, so we're probably going to have to make sure that I've already given it about 2 ounces, so it's 8. And then you need to make sure that it latches on and nurses.